How's it going, everyone? Today at Bailey's, we're going to talk about what is PDR. So, PDR is the process of using specialized tools to take a dent out. Generally, we use it a lot in door dings, hail damage, creases, anything that the paint has not been compromised or damaged. And we use specific tools to gently massage the dent out from the backside of the panel. Why is it better? We're taking the dent out and we're leaving the OEM factory paint on it. Generally, it's a lot faster than a conventional repair. We're not using any paint, we're not sanding on it, there's no filler. And generally, we can get your vehicle done within the day, or if not, a couple hours. A lot of misconceptions about paintless dent repair is that we can only take small dents out. That's not necessarily the case. Sometimes a larger dent can be taken out using paintless dent repair. Some factors play in it is the location of the dent and if the dent is stretched. Basically, if you can get a tool to it, we can gently massage it out. So next time if you get a door ding or have hail damage on your vehicle, don't panic, just take it to Bailey's.